So I dumped all the bacon bits in with the beef. And now I want to get that mixed up. All the fat. The purpose for this is to mix the fat with the meat, whether it's the bacon meat or whether it's the beef meat. You want to get that all evenly stirred up there. And then make sure everything's coated. All the meat is coated with some bit of fat because we need that. For what we're going to do now is we're going to toss in some flour. Because I want this to be thick. And then, see how that goes over. Let's see what I do next. I need just a little more flour. And I've not added any extra salt or anything into the pot yet because I want to see how much sodium that bacon brings to the table. It's starting to dry out a little bit. That's the way I want it. And now I'm going to dump in my caramelized onions with the green pepper and get that stirred up. Let that cook for a minute. And then after that, I'm going to pour in my tomato sauce. So we're basically just sort of cooking out the liquid part. And we're drying it out a little bit to make this beef mixture, beef and onion mixture. I believe the trick to really good chili is to do it very slowly. So let's see what happens here. Look at that. I'm going to take this out. Put this over here. And now we're going to slowly add that tomato sauce in there. And this is just the food processed peeled tomatoes. So stay tuned.